access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. There are upwards of 6 bolts securing the filter housing. Remove the bolts with either a 8mm or 5/16 socket. Remove the filter housing. Unclip and remove the old filter from the housing. Install your new AQ1115C filter into the housing with the bottom tabs behind the frame first. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Ideally, you'd want to set the housing on a flat surface and use both hands to apply pressure on the top half of the filter until it clicks secure. Reinstall the housing. Reinstall the bolts. Close the hood.